Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to do so. It really means the world to me. So today I have another unboxing video for you, and I got two pairs of shoes right here and a handbag. And a quick disclaimer, these items were actually gifted to me, and they were gifted to me by a brand, Cosy Island. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about a couple of issues that I am facing, especially when it comes to my feet and then my footwear and my shoes. And then I'm gonna kind of show you and talk to you about how these issues and these problems could be overcome with shoes from a brand like Cosy Island. And then after this conversation, we will do the unboxing. And as I mentioned, I got two pairs of shoes and then also a handbag right here from Cosy Island as well. And by the way, my name is Eliza, and I'm your guide to savvy luxury shopping no matter where in the world you are. Subscribe to my channel to learn more about strategic luxury shopping with the emphasis on quality and timelessness of your items. So let me talk to you about my feet for a little bit. And actually, let me know down in the comments below if you can relate. So I am a runner, kind of like a recreational runner. I'm not an athlete or anything like this, but I spend a lot of my time running, going to the gym, and just kind of, trying to be active and trying to stay fit. I've done probably a total of 6 marathons. I've done 2 ultra marathons of about 85, 87 kilometers, and I regularly go on very long or rather long runs for my training. So I'm talking like 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers, and even longer. And let me tell you, and I do not know if it is maybe the same for you, but I feel like my feet are just constantly destroyed. Like my toenails are blue, I get blisters all the time, and honestly, even just the sole, like the bottom of my feet, ends up hurting simply because I spend so much time just, pounding the pavement. And in addition to this, I feel like I have very wide feet. So when I come back maybe from a marathon or one of my longer runs when I'm training, I often feel like my feet have been really beat up. And then if I have maybe a dinner or a theater or some kind of event to go to, it is just so incredibly difficult for me to squeeze my feet that already feel uncomfortable, feet that are hurting. It's so difficult to squeeze them into kind of like a regular or a normal pair of shoes. This is actually one of the reasons why I stopped wearing heels that much, simply because I already spent so much time on my feet, and my feet go through so much, in terms of training on a regular basis. Then the last thing I want to do is like put on high heels or high-heeled boots when I go somewhere. So that's kind of issue number one I wanted to mention. And again, maybe if you run or if you train, let me know in the comments down below if you can actually relate. And then, of course, the second issue. I love talking about luxury and luxury items on this channel. I spend a lot of time talking about, buying luxury on sale and trying to just kind of maximize your spending and also maximize the use of the items that you actually buy. And I love talking about trends as well, because I think it is important to know trends, and it is important to just kind of follow the fashion aspect of luxury market. However, I fully realize that I personally would go completely broke if I tried to buy a luxury item to meet every single trend that comes out there, especially, maybe in terms of things like shoes, but also handbags. We are constantly bombarded by so many different trends, and maybe we want to participate in those trends. But personally, when it comes to me, I cannot spend like $500 or $1,000 on a pair of shoes that is trendy and a pair of shoes that I know I am not really likely to wear a couple of seasons from now. So when it comes to these two particular issues, the issue of comfort and also the issue of being trend forward, but not necessarily spending a ton of money, this is when the brand like Cosy Island comes in. And by the way, they also shared a discount code with me, so I'm going to put it on the screen here. So you can use this discount code if you choose to purchase anything from this brand, perhaps after you see a couple of items that I got from them. So anyway, when it comes to comfort and when it comes to being kind of fashion forward, it is great to rely on a brand like Cosy Island because, especially in terms of shoes, it will give you the comfort that you're looking for. But in terms of trends, you can actually participate in some of those trends without spending a fortune. So, Cozy Island is a brand that is basically dedicated to creating a cozy island for your feet. And honestly, doesn't that just sound so amazing? When I think about my running and about my training, and when I come back home after that, all I really want sometimes is to actually feel comfortable and cozy when it comes to my footwear. And it is exactly what Cozy Island does. They create shoes that are comfort without compromise. And I just love that particular logo because all of us want to be comfortable at the end of the day. It is very difficult to be stylish when you do not feel comfortable. And Cozy Island creates comfort without compromise. So you're getting shoes that have very stable heels, and I will show you in a little bit. Shoes that are stretchy, soft, and comfortable, so they can accommodate a lot of different foot shapes and fit types. And then, in addition to this, their shoes and their products are actually made out of recycled materials. And this is also really important because at the end of the day, all of us have a small role to play when it comes to, preserving the natural resources of our planet. Anyway, let's go ahead and actually look at the items that were gifted to me. Let's start with the shoes. So we've got a smaller box right here. Let me open up and show you what I got. So look at the packaging. These boxes are just really nice and pleasant to open. You are getting like a free cozy insole, which I haven't opened yet, but it is just such a nice touch when it comes to getting something. It seems like you're getting a little present in addition to the pair of shoes themselves. So you're also getting a little card of thanks from Cozy Island, which is once again really super pleasant as well. And then these are the shoes, and this is once again, oops, and this is the packaging of how they come. So the first pair of shoes I got, just a second, the first pair of shoes I got are these pair right here. So they are called naturally diamond pointed toe heeled pumps. So they have these crystals on the outside, but the material of the shoe itself is actually incredibly stretchy and soft. And for this reason, these shoes can accommodate so many different foot shapes and so many different types of feet. The heel is actually 7.5 centimeters, and it looks really stylish, but because it is a bit more thick at the bottom right here, it is actually a very stable heel. I chose these shoes in kind of black color with some crystals that are black and some crystals that are silver. But these shoes also come in 8 different colors. So it is just so easy to pick a color that you need to go maybe with a particular outfit or just a color that you like the most. And you don't need to wait for another season for like a new color to come out. You already have like this full spectrum of 8 colors to choose from. Just like everything else, these shoes are made from recycled material, and they also have arch support and cushioning on the inside. And this is something that I can really appreciate as a runner because, once again, when I spend so much time just running and pounding the pavement, it is nice to be able to wear something that is so pleasant and so soft on the inside so my feet can rest, but I can still look stylish and wear a pair of heeled pumps. So I'm also going to show you a couple of outfit ideas when it comes to these particular shoes, but you can see that this is actually a great way to incorporate this trend of wearing crystals without spending a fortune. So if you are into crystals and if you want to try out this trend, you don't necessarily need to go and spend money on a pair of Prada shoes or Jimmy Choo shoes. You can actually try out this trend without breaking the bank. You can, try out this pair of diamond, heeled pumps right here from Cozy Island and see if you like this trend. And if you figure out that you actually really love this trend and it is something that you can wear for many, many, many years to come, this could be the good time to actually, spend some money maybe on a pair of Prada or Jimmy Choo's and so on. But let me tell you also, when it comes to the quality and just the look of these shoes right here, I think they look incredibly good and they look so stylish. Like, I am sure if I wear these shoes, people are not necessarily going to notice whether these are, a pair of designer pumps or just a nice pair of shoes that are comfortable. And once again, especially when it comes to different issues with my particular feet, nowadays I really like to emphasize comfort when it comes to my shoes. And just to give you a sense, this is how this pair of diamond pointed toe heeled pumps look together. So these are the first pair of shoes that I got from Cozy Island. So the second pair of shoes that I got from them, from Cozy Island, are the sexy strapped stiletto pumps. So as I mentioned before on my channel, it is actually very difficult for me to wear high-heeled shoes these days. So I thought that when it comes to the brand like Cozy Island, maybe I could go ahead and actually try really high-heeled shoes, because at the end of the day, this brand is actually known for comfort. So I got these sky-high heels. I know maybe for many of you these look like regular heels, but for me they don't. For me, this is like a 10.5 centimeter heel, which it is, and I think they are just incredibly high. And you also have like a 2 centimeter platform that I guess is like included in the height of the heel. So anyway, these shoes right here are also super soft and super stretchy. They are also made out of recycled materials, and they also have cushioning and arch support, to make it easier to wear them. Plus, once again, this heel looks really stable to me, and this strap right here just provides additional security, which once again, I also appreciate and my ankles really appreciate, because the last thing as a runner, as someone who is into fitness, the last thing I want to do is actually twist my ankle because I'm wearing really high heeled shoes. And if I have a twisted ankle, I'm out of the game for, a couple of months probably. And I really do not want that to happen. So let me kind of show you two of these shoes together. Once again, this heel height for me nowadays is just really high, but I thought, why not try this comfortable pair from Cozy Island? In case I am going out, I do want to wear some high-heeled shoes, but I do not want to be in pain the entire evening or the entire night. And by the way, another quick note, if you do go out to a club on occasion, you know how dirty it can potentially get. People might be dancing, they might be spilling their drinks. And so with this type of, stretchy, soft, neat material, I feel like it would be very easy to just wipe off any dirt, wipe off any spills, and you have kind of shoes that look nice and new and brand new, basically. So from that perspective as well, I feel like having a pair of shoes like this for your going out needs could be a really great idea. And last but not least, let me show you this bag right here. I mean, who doesn't love a handbag, especially when, it doesn't cost a fortune? I often talk about going to the beach and to the pool on this channel and, just summer vacations. And when I looked at the bags that were available on Cozy Island website, this bag right here really caught my attention. I'm going to put the price point on the screen, just like with everything else, because I really do not remember it right now. But it is a great price point for a stylish looking big handbag like this that you can basically drag around with yourself in the summer when you go to the beach, maybe you go to a farmer's market, or maybe you're going somewhere to the swimming pool. And with a bag like this, you really wouldn't need to be careful. You could get sand into it and you could get it wet because it is made out of nylon and nothing would happen to it. Plus, even if you already have a really nice beach bag that maybe you would take with you to certain vacations and to a pool, it is always nice to have a backup that you kind of do not have to worry about. You could also probably travel with this bag as well. And also when it comes to, safety and security, I sometimes really like traveling with bags that are just not easily recognizable, just because then I feel like I'm not going to be targeted when it comes to pickpocketing or just things of that nature. Anyway, back to this handbag. It is actually also two in one. So you have this kind of matte looking nylon handbag itself, but on the inside you just kind of have a zipper pouch. So once again, you can maybe use it even as a separate pouch for packing, for organizing things, for packing things when you go on vacation. But then you could also put your valuables into this pouch and put this pouch inside this bag right here. And look just how perfectly the colors match as well. I just love it when I get two items instead of one, and they go together really well, but they could also definitely be used separately. And just like with everything else with Cozy Island, this bag is made out of completely fully recycled material. And specifically, it is made out of nylon. But if I touch it, it is actually really pleasant to the touch. It kind of almost feels like rough silk, which I appreciate because this bag right here just does not feel like cheap nylon at all. All right, I removed the covers from the handles to just show you the color of the handles and how it perfectly matches the color of sort of, the zipper up right here on the pouch. Once again, together, I feel this is such a nice set. And especially, when it comes to my traveling, I really like to have a ton of pouches like this because I can organize my things in larger suitcases or in my handbags. And by the way, I just noticed that on the inside, this pouch has yet another small pocket and small compartment. So once again, if you like to pack and you like to organize your stuff, if you are a little bit OCD about all of that, I think this is just a great kind of two-in-one summer beach bag. So this is the third item that I got from Cozy Island. All right, well, that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing video, and thank you so much to Cozy Island for gifting those items to me. And before you go, please watch another savvy luxury video out here. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Take care and bye-bye.